Solo travel is something you should consider, even if just once. When was the last time you truly quieted your mind, even for just 10 minutes, without it wandering back to work or the endless list of obligations? We move through our days answering, tending, carrying. So much of who we are becomes shaped by what is needed from us. To travel somewhere solo is to step, if only briefly, outside of that constant pull. It is to give yourself back the gift of your own attention. In the energy of unfamiliar streets and the moments between one destination and the next, listen to your own thoughts, unhurried and without schedule, as there is something almost sacred about having nowhere else to be but where you already are. You will find that silence is no longer quiet, but more like a quantum state or an alternate reality, granting you perspective as if it had been just waiting for you to slow down long enough so it could show you what it has to carry. It's in that stillness, in that moment, you should remember that life is not meant to be managed, but to be witnessed. When you return, everything will still be the same. However, you would have been brought back to your state of equilibrium. Travel alone is not to leave everything behind. It's to come back with more of yourself than with what you left. Now is the time.